Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how to log into your Raiffeisen Bank International online banking in Austria. So the process is really simple. You just need to go over here in this panel. You can see the link. This is the raiffeisnational.com, then Raiffeisen and the login. You just need to click over here. Once you click over here, it will redirect you to the next page. So here I will just click to the accept. Once I click over here, then you will get to see that this is the digital service. If you want to use it, you just need to go over here, just click to the login, and you will get actual login options. Here you just need to provide your email address, then continue, then there you just need to provide your options. So similarly, if you want to log into payment and cash management, similar, you just need to click over here and they will give you the options, and the page is similar. Then if you want to log into your platform, you just need to click over that place. Once you click over here, then you will eventually get all these necessary things, and you can one by one log into any options you want. So the process is really simple. I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.